Meet the Tibetan fox, nature's most unimpressed creature. Just look at that face. It's like a constant, "Really? Is that all you've got?" From majestic mountains to delicious prey, nothing seems to impress this fox. You could wave a juicy pica, and it'd just stare back at you with that blank, skeptical look. And it's not just the face. This fox's entire vibe is, "I'm not here to entertain you." Its wide, boxy cheeks add to the look, giving it a head like a loaf of bread, permanently shaped for judging everything it encounters. Honestly, I don't think we deserve this level of side-eye. So next time you feel judged by your pet, remember, it could be worse. You could be stared down by a Tibetan fox.